First of all, I'll tell you that the cable is braided and it gives it a premium look. Next, about the USB. The USB is gold plated and that's really nice because it helps in faster connection. And the cable is 6 feet long, so it's very long cable. Okay, so now let's get on with the next part. As now I'll show you the effect of when the keyboard turns on. In my opinion, this effect is really cool. Okay, next I want you to hear the sound of the keys clicking. Guys, also I want to tell you that the keycaps have a really cool looking font and the keyboard has a matte finish. And because of the quality of the keycaps, the grease marks and the oil from the fingers don't stick onto the key for a very long time. Okay guys, now I will tell you about the keyboard. It has 104 keys in total, 18 RGB modes and 1 customizable mode and 6 brightness levels. And 5 speed levels, and you can also change the color using FN and right arrow, and you can change the direction of the movement using this. So guys, now I'll show you the keys. The keycaps come off really easily like this, and underneath there are blue switches. Wait a second. Now you can see them properly. And when you want to reinstall the keycap, just simply place it in the correct position and press it down. And now it's placed back. So guys, the keyboard has 4 rubber feet and 2 stands using which we can adjust height. And they also have rubber here to prevent the keyboard from slipping. So guys, now I will show you all the light modes. So to view the light modes, you need to press FN and then one of these 6 keys. Each one has 3 different options. So let's start with this. The space on your desk, but there's just one problem. It does not come with an armrest. So if there was an armrest, the keyboard would have no complaints at all. But still, in my opinion, this is a very premium quality gaming keyboard and it is also really good for typing. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification